Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another detailing product review. Today we will be testing out the CT18 Superfoam heavy duty foam wash. And do I have a serious job for this? We'll be using this along with my gurney foam gun to clean up the cheapest manual EL Falcon in Australia, which is just parked over there, and we're going to get stuck into cleaning it right now, and at the same time we will be testing out this stuff here. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be putting the CT18 into the little reservoir for the foam gun, and it says on here, for heavily soiled vehicles dilute 1 part of CT18 to 4 parts of water. So we only have to fill this up about a quarter of the way, and then the rest will be filled up with water. Now it's almost starting to rain as well, but it shouldn't matter too much to clean the outside of the car. So let's pour some in there, and we only need to about quarter fill this because we're going by the instructions. There's a bit of a spillage. Okay, so that's about a quarter there. So we'll top that up with water and then we'll start spraying it onto the car and see how it goes. So let's go. Now, as you just saw, a quarter fill of CT18 cleaner goes a long way, and we pretty much spray the whole car 2 or 3 times between scrubbing it. So it's gone a long way for just a little bit of cleaner topped up with water. Now once we've rinsed the car off completely, I'll give you my final thoughts on the CT18 cleaner. Here we are. We have used the CT18 cleaner on the cheapest manual EL Falcon in Australia. And there it is there. And let's have a look how this stuff did. The final word on this stuff is I'm happy with it. It works really well. I don't think I'd be using this stuff all the time to wash my car, because I think it might actually be a little bit too harsh. It does say you can use it to wash all cars, trucks, caravans, boats and motorbikes. Safe on all surfaces. But look, me personally, to wash my car on a weekly basis, I'd use a dedicated car wash rather than this stuff here. I think I'd use this stuff here in extreme cases for really dirty cars, or after the car hasn't been washed for a long time. But look, that's just my personal opinion. If you want to do different, you do different. Now if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below in the comment section and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the CT18 car cleaner, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.